Today we will study lesson 4, that is interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences are those sentences which ask questions. Read the following sentences. One side there are given statements and in the column parallel to it they have given questions. Statements is the simple fact that you say, like this is your book. But if you say, is this your book, then it becomes a question. Similarly, they were neighbors. You can lift this box. They may come today. She will go tomorrow. All these are statements. But if you say, were they neighbors? Can you lift this box? May they come today? Will she go tomorrow? Then all these are questions. So the sentences on the left hand side state or express something. Such sentences are called assertive sentences or statements. The sentences on the right hand side ask something. Such sentences are called interrogative sentences or questions. Question mark is placed at the end of the interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence के end में हमेशा हम question mark का sign लगाते हैं. The following sentences. The children play in this ground. She writes in her diary. He makes a noise. The tiger ran very fast. The train departed late. These all are assertive sentences. But if we say, do the children play in this ground? Does she write in her diary? Does he make a noise? Did the tiger run very fast? Did the train depart late? These are interrogative sentences. The interrogative sentence in simple present tense or simple past tense is formed with do or does plus subject plus base form of verb in simple present tense, and did plus subject plus base form of verb in past tense. Example, she writes in her diary. Here writes shows that this is simple present tense. So how will we convert this into interrogative? By using does. Does she write in her diary? Okay, but when we see this sentence, fourth one, the tiger ran very fast. This is simple past tense. So when we make it interrogative, we have to write, did the tiger run very fast? Here what we do? We put did, then we put the subject, the tiger, then we put the base form of verb, that is run. Ran is past tense, but its base form is run. So did plus the subject tiger, then the base form of verb run very fast. So this is what they have said, how we convert present simple and past simple. Read the following sentences. He is reading poetry. He is going for a swim. They are playing tennis. They were laughing, and you are suffering from fever. These all are in continuous tense, either present continuous or past continuous. So how do we convert these into interrogative? Is she reading poetry? Is she going for a swim? Are they playing tennis? Were they laughing? Are you suffering from fever? इसमें क्या करते हैं, इज एम आर वर्ब जो है उसे सबसे पहले ले आते हैं, फिर सब्जेक्ट और उसके बाद आईएनजी फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब, देन द रिमेनिंग सेंटेंस. दिस वे इट बिकम्स इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस. Interrogative sentence in present continuous and past continuous is formed with is mr plus subject plus present participle form, was were plus subject plus past participle form, present participle form. So the simple way to understand this lesson is you read the given examples more and more times, and then if you don't understand and find any doubt, kindly ask it back to me. So ask your doubts and then we will do exercises. Thank you.